Hey guys, so it's July 19th, 9:57 a.m. You can see I made $54 today out of $1,000 capital. So about $1,000 I spent. I invested, I guess I used that capital to trade. Still have about $100 I can still trade, but in about 54 minutes or so, a little less than that, I used $1,000 in capital and I traded the SPY and the QQQ, $42 in the QQQ, $12 profit on SPY, total of $54 profit. If you understand, that's a 5% return every single day, right? That's what I aim for, 5%. And again, my strategy is simple. I'll walk you through it right here. On the 15-minute, I draw my support, my resistances, and some lines that I think, it'll meet heavy support or resistance. Then I go to the 1-minute chart, and then I just wait. And I saw this come down, right? And I saw this come down and then go up. So what I did was as it kept coming down, I would keep drawing the fib. Then as it started going back up, I basically knew it'll go at least till it'll retrace back at least till the 618 level, which is this. You can see that. So I bought the SPY somewhere around here because I saw heavy support here. You see the wicks here. I saw those. I bought it, and then here to here, just one candle. I traded SPY, and I made $12, right? Then I saw it still kept going up, and so I remember it started on over here, it came down. So I had to draw the fib from top to bottom. Then when I started going up, I just waited for it to go up and take the highs. It took the highs here. So then I started to draw the fib from the bottom to the top, right? As it went high, took out the top, I drew it here. As it went up more, I started just going with it till I went here, till it went over here. You can see there's 1, 2, 3 resistance lines I had drawn. It hit here, it started coming back down. So then I knew it'll come at least all the way to the 618. You see that again? Okay, 618 over here, right? So I bought the Qs somewhere around here when I started retracing. Stochastic RSI was also on the top, and I just took it from somewhere here. You can see here, somewhere here to the 618 level, which is over here. So about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes candle, 2 or 3 candles, 2.5 minutes. And in that queue, I made $42 profit, right? As simple as that, and I'm done for the day. So literally by 9:46, 9:47 in the morning, 15, 16 minutes, I'm done for the day. And then this is my $50, 5% a day if you do the math, right? If you can just do the math, basically, let me show you the math here, right? If you have $1,000 capital, right? 5% a day equals $50 a day, right? 5 days a week you can trade. So you would be making $250 per week. And then you got 4 weeks in a month. So you would literally make $1,000 profit that month. So you're literally doubling your capital every month. Now, does it always work like that? No, some days I make 10% profit and it can actually go to $100. Sometimes I may even make $5 loss, right? And then it might just be a minus $50, right? It's a minus 5% loss, okay? So overall, if you have more green days than red days, you can, even if you don't make 100% double your capital every month, you can conservatively do 25 to 50% every month, right? Even if it's only 25, let's just say 20% a month. Okay, that means in 1 year, you're making, what is it, 240%, right? of your capital. Okay, so if you have $1,000 you started with, in 1 year you can make, I don't know, 300 something, 240 to 2,500 to 3,000, which is more than double. Okay, if you put your capital in the bank, what do you get? That's how I see it. Again, I'm playing with small amounts because I've been trading for about 4 years now. I started 4 years ago. 2020 is when I started, but only in the last few months I've become consistent with my strategy, with my emotions, with my psychology, and so I slowly grow it. My goal is to go, grow this to a $10,000 capital, and then 5% profit a day would be $500 a day, right? $500 a day would be $2,500 per week. And that's, if you do the math, right, that's a 10K. If you do the math here, that's 10K per month income. That's a great income to live off of for trading, 15, 20, 30 minutes a day, right? So hope it made some sense, guys. Again, just growing this, you can see it, $54 profit today, July 19th.